day. Hello my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. How to plan your day? Start the night before. What do you need to do tomorrow to meet your needs? Create a beautiful morning routine. Many people start their days with movement, dance, meditation, quiet time, or reading. Brain dump. Get your ideas out of your head and onto paper. Review your daily list. Estimate the time it will take to complete each task. Review the big picture. What are your current projects and which ones are the most important? Work your list, batch tasks that are similar for optimum efficiency. What else? Finish each day with a 10-minute tidy. What can you do now to set up your spaces and routines for both beauty and efficiency? Pick a weekly prep day. Get the house cleaned, meal plan, and review your calendar for the week ahead. For the week ahead, not month ahead. It's better. The week ahead. Dear unique, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. And always remember, there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond.